Big up Crosses Stevie.
Crosses Stevie, you reach, yes.
I just start vomit. I just start. I go up a Barry last night. At the Friday something. I'm in a Barry bathroom. I lock the bathroom room. I just have vomit so last night. I said no. Oh, I feel so weak again. I said no. This not safe. I have to call an ambulance to come for me. But here I go on. I'm in a like feel pain so. From morning in my house, I never get fucked up on the road. If my friend never call the ambulance when they in the house and dead. So I go to the hospital and I go hear what they must say. At the BullyBeef fuck me up from yesterday. At the BullyBeef. Nothing not done me. I'm not normally sick. When I see me I vomit. Just I vomit up my throat so. I'm gone already now, you know. I really want to do my come outside tonight and tomorrow. But I done it BullyBeef, you know, yeah, man. I done it. They kill me off yesterday. God bless America to blood clot the ambulance after the front come for me. Thank you. You ready? Yeah, I can't walk. Can't walk.
But I'm gonna let you walk. Put you in a wheelchair.
Yeah, get me a wheelchair. I can't walk.
It's right here. Right here.
I'm gonna see the doctor. I'm gonna see the doctor right away.
No.
So who am I gonna see?
Triage nurse.
You not admit?
What?
Not admit me in the hospital.
No.
It doesn't work like that.
It doesn't work like that.
Police.
Hold on.
There's gonna be
It doesn't work like that.
you're gonna get triaged first.
Come off with you.
You're gonna get triage. You're gonna have your all your vitals and your blood pressures taken. And then
Inside I'm a week.
I know. But everyone's gotta go through the same process.
But that's the hospital process.
And then
It's a little bit of time. That's all. Just gotta keep your feet on the thing, okay?
Oh my God, I'm cold. Sick was a person to blood clot.
You gotta turn that off when you go in the hospital.
If I'm not alive. Alright, people pray for me.